The following are the record audio and the video apps. The first one is the Animoto. Animoto gives students the ability to make a 30-second video of what they learned in a lesson. It is a cloud-based video presentation service that produces video from photos, video clips, and music into a slideshows and customized web-based presentation. It is based in New York City with an office in San Francisco. The second one is the Audio Note. It is a combination of a voice recorder and notepad. It captures both audio and notes for students' collaboration. A voice recorder to create a powerful tool that will save your time while improving the quality of your notes. It is a perfect app for students or business. The third one is the Edpuzzle. It helps you to use video to track students' understanding. It is a web-based e-learning application allowing users to select a video and customize by editing, cropping, recording, and adding quiz questions directly to the video stream. It is also allows for instructor to track, monitor, and grade students' engagement with the video created. The fourth one is the Flipgrid. It lets the students use 15-second to 5-minute videos to respond to the prompts. Teachers and peers can provide feedback. It is a website and app that allows the teacher to facilitate video discussion. Students are organized into groups and then given access to discussion topics. The next one is the Quick Voice Recorder. It allows you to record classes, discussions, or audio for projects. It syncs your recordings to your computer easily for use in presentation. It is the most popular full-featured iPhone, iPad voice recorder available. The next one is the Vocaro. It creates audio recordings without the need for software. Embed the recording into slideshows, presentation, or websites. It is a simple audio recording service that can be used by both teacher and students. It allows you to record your voice, play it back, then listen, and provides you with the web links or codes. The next one is the WeVideo. It lets you to use video creatively to engage students in learning. Teachers and students alike can make videos. It is a cloud-based video editing platform that works in a web learning and on mobile devices. So now, the following are the apps or websites that create quizzes, polls, and surveys. The first one is the CrowdSignal. So the CrowdSignal lets you to create online polls, quizzes, and questions. Students can use smartphones, tablets, and computers to provide their answers, and information can be called for reports. So if you have a WordPress.com site, then you have got CrowdSignal polls already built in. So the next one is the Edulastic. It allows you to make standards-aligned assessments and get instant feedback. It is an online assessment making tool for learners. It allows you or the teachers to make their own assessment and assignments in common standard test formats or choose from an assessment library. The next one is the free online survey. It helps you to create surveys, quizzes, forms, and polls. It is a structured questionnaire that your target audience completes order to the internet, generally through a filing or filling out of a form.
Hello everyone, I am Arisa Tagtagan and this is just a continuation for Create Quizzes, Polls, and Survey. So let's now proceed. GameKit lets you write a real-time quizzes and it was designed by a high school student. The GameKit is a digital tool that allows educators to guide and monitor the students through social channels. Whether your goal is collaborative work, skill improvement, or simply engagement in a classroom setting, the GameKit app can help you achieve it all. Kahoot, a game-based classroom response system that lets you create quizzes using internet content. It is a virtual training tool teachers and students can use to learn new information. Check progress through trivia and quizzes. As teachers, game-based learning is a great way to utilize your students' mobile devices as a formative assessment tool for any subject and age. So MicroPoll helps you create polls, embed them into websites, and analyze responses. It makes it very easy to create a poll, customize it, and embed it into blog or websites and can analyze responses. Another one here is the Naiko. Lets you write quizzes and students can answer using their mobile devices. In Naiko, results of each assessment can be viewed for individual students or for the whole class, allowing the teacher the ability to make data-driven decisions about curriculum. Let's proceed to Observay Design. Observay Design is to make surveys, polls, and questionnaires. It lets the teacher to design surveys and questionnaires for students to complete it. Poll Everywhere lets you create a feedback poll or ask questions and see results in real time. It allows students to respond in various ways. With open-ended questions, you can capture data and spin up tag clouds to aggregate responses. Another one here is the Poll Maker. It offers unique features like allowing multiple answers to one question. It allows teachers to make polls that have multiple choice answers for students to complete. Another one here to assess students' learning is the ProProfs because it helps you make quizzes, polls, and surveys. Same with the quizzes because quizzes guides you through designing quizzes and lets you include students in the quiz writing process. For these quizzes, it allows teachers to find quizzes or create their own for students to take as a class. Another one here is the Quizlet. Quizlet lets you make flashcards, tests, quizzes, and study games that are mobile friendly. It allows the teachers to create flashcards, quizzes, games that students can use for assessments. Survey Hero, designed to build questionnaires and surveys. This is a tool that allows teachers to quickly and easily build questionnaires and survey. Quia lets you create games, quizzes, surveys, and more. It accesses a database of existing quizzes from other educators. It allows teachers to use or create quizzes and games for students to answer. Another app or website that you can use for assessing students' learning is the Quizalize because it helps you create quizzes and homework. And Quizalize allows teachers to create different quizzes and homework assessments for students to complete it.
Good day, I am Sheila Marie F. Morales. So this is the continuation about the report of Create quizzes, polls, and surveys. SurveyMonkey. So it is helpful for online polls and survey. It is an AI-powered feedback solution that delivers insight fast. 15 million active users. So Survey Planet also helpful for online polls and surveys. It is helps you to create free online surveys with unlimited question and responses. Design survey, share it, and review results. With Survey Planet, it is so easy to sign up. Multiple languages, custom branding, free written question, and question branching. Yakapaka, which is help you to write and assign quizzes. It is unique peer feedback is delivered immediately the student answer a question. Zoho survey allows you to make mobile-friendly survey and see result in real time. It is top-rated in most review platform in survey software category. Now let's proceed to brainstorm, mind map, and collaborate. So first is Answer Garden, a tool for online brainstorming and collaboration. Is a new minimalist feedback tool. Use it for real-time audience participation, online brainstorming, and classroom feedback. Next is Google, a mind mapping tool designed to help you understand student thinking. Google is also a freeware mind mapping web application. Google produces hierarchically structured documents like a branching tree. This contrasts with other collaboration editors like Google Docs, which provide either linear or tabular document format. Next is Concept Board, software that facilitates team collaboration in a visual format, similar to mind mapping but using visual and text inputs. Storming, a whiteboard app that allows digital sticky notes to be posted and voted on. This tool is best for generating class discussion and brainstorming on different topics and questions. The next one is EduCreation Whiteboard, a whiteboard app that lets students share what they know. iBrainstorm, let students collaborate on project using a stylus on their finger. Miro, allows full class collaboration in real time. Padlet provides a blank canvas for students to create and design collaborative projects. Show-Me Interactive Whiteboard, another whiteboard tool to check understanding. And lastly, Xmind, mind mapping software for use on desktop computers and laptops.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. I am Kusain Amir Usman from BSED Math 3A. So today, I am going to continue the discussion about the websites and apps in assessment of student learning. So let us proceed for the present, engaged, and inspired. So the website that that I am going to present is the BrainPop. This BrainPop, it lets you use pre-recorded videos on countless topics to shape your lesson plan. Then it uses quizzes to see what's stuck. Then the second one is the Bansi. This website or apps, it helps students and teachers visualize and communicate and engage with classroom concepts. The third one is the 5-card flicker or the 5-card flicker. It uses the tag feature from photos in Flickr to foster visual thinking. Then next one is the Play Post Set. The Play Post Set. It allows you to add formative assessment features to a video from a library or a popular sites such as YouTube and Vimeo to survey what students know about a topic. The next is the Rabble Browser. This website allows a leader to facilitate a collaborative browsing experience. The next one is the Random Name or the Word Picker. This website or apps facilitates random name picking. It facilitates random name picking, and you can also add a list of keywords and use the tool to prompt students to guess words by providing a definitions. The next one is the Socrative. The Socrative uses exercise and games to engage students with a topic. And next is the Spark. When we talks about Spark, it lets this website lets you add graphics and visual to exit tickets. Lastly is the Typeform. This Typeform helps you add graphical elements to polls. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuhu. I am Morsezi Ismael, and to continue the discussion, I'm going to discuss to you on how we are going to do or create a quizzes polls, and survey out of technology. So I'm going to discuss to you the Observe Design, the Pool Everywhere, the Pool Maker, and of course the Proofs. So when we talk about the Observe Design, is a leading cloud-based solution. So it is providing user with an intuitive way to build and distribute pools. Ang Pool Everywhere naman is a web-based tool din siya which can be used to gather ideas, test knowledge, or canvas the opinion of a large group of us students. And the Pool Maker naman, it is a unique cause it is a unique in features siya, like allowing multiple answer to our one questions. And lastly, the Proof is a online-based tools design din siya. It is offered quizzes and training. So ang mas maganda dito sa Proof is that it is intelligently feedback the result with analytics, so that the teacher can see exactly how class, group, or individual students is doing based on their quiz answers.
Mentimeter allows you to use mobile phones or tablets to vote on any question a teacher asks, increasing student engagement. So, to clearly understand, Mentimeter helps you to engage and enables every voice in a classroom or lecture hall to be heard. Peer Deck lets you plan and build interactive presentations that students can participate in via their smart device. It also offers unique question types. What does it do? It's an interactive presentation tool used to actively engage students in individual and social learning. Plickers allows you to collect real-time formative assessment data without the use for student devices. Quickie helps you with accurate marking, instant grading, and immediate feedback. Remind lets you text students and stay in touch with families. Seesaw helps you improve family communication and makes formative assessment easy, while students can use the platform to document their learnings. Voxer lets you send recordings so families can hear how their students are doing. Students can chat about their work and you can provide feedback. Biblionasium lets you view books students have read, create readings challenges, and track progress. Students can also review and recommend books to their peers. ClassKick helps you post assignments for students, and both you and your students' peers can provide feedback. Students can also monitor their progress and work. For all rubrics, lets you import, create, and score rubrics on your tablet or smartphone, collect data offline, compute scores automatically, and print or save the rubrics as a PDF or spreadsheet.
Hi, and this is Miss Ramari, and this is a continuation of the report of Miss Sebastian. The next one is Elino, a virtual report of sticky notes. It lets students ask questions or make comments on their learning. So another that, it lets also the users to put digital sticky notes on a corkboard. So posting words, photographs, videos, links, and other types of media to the sticky notes allows users to exchange ideas. The next one is Online Stopwatch, provides dozens of themed digital classroom timers to use during small and whole group discussion. So it's just a regular stopwatch. It's not really a different stopwatch from our regular, just like in our watch or in our mobile phones. So it really helps us to record how long are we going to do such work. Next one is Peer Grade, helps you create assignments and upload rubrics. You can also anonymously assign peer review work. Students can upload and review work using corresponding rubric. So peer grade is also students can also examine and comment on one's other work on peer grade. It's an online platform. So students post their work such as written, video, graphic to peer grade and then exchange comments with each other based on their teachers' developed feedback criteria. Next one is Spiral. Spiral is just to give you access to a formative assessment feedback. Another one is a Verso. Lets you set up learning using a URL. Space is provided for directions. Students can add their assignments, post comments, and respond to comments. You can group responses and check engagement levels. So Verso is a tool that can help teachers encourage participation in online discussions. So using this platform, teachers can create flips, which are essential in online teaching. Voice Thread allows you to create and share conversations on documents, diagrams, videos, pictures, and more. So to keep the conversations going with live chats, there is a back channel chat, a teacher moderated version of Twitter. So it's also a back channel chat is also a class discussion. It's a tool that designed for ground up support teachers. Their teachers and student exchange comments on a back channel chat. Another application is a ChatZ. So it supports live online chats in a private setting. So it's a private chat service that you can create your own chat room here and then invite people using email. Another one is create and store documents or assignments. The first one is the Google Forms, a Google Drive app that allows you to create documents. Students can collaborate in real time using smartphones, tablets, and laptops. So these are mostly, we know this Google Forms because we are using it at the moment, and most of the students are using this one for their class, especially doing or creating a survey questionnaire, especially third-year student. We are doing our research at the moment. So we're using Google Forms to create a survey questionnaires, which is more convenient. So another one is a Piazza. Lets you upload the lectures, assignments, and homework. Post and respond to student questions and poll students about class content. This tool is better suited for older students at its mimics form, post-secondary class instructional formats. So that would be all for today, and thank you so much for listening and watching. This is Elvira Rameri.